Hi, hello my friends, how are you? So today I am going to tell you something about the nature, the real nature, and something like freedom, actual freedom. Uh, right now I am at my parental house somewhere in North India and enjoying the nature here because the atmosphere here is completely greenery. I am enjoying the greenery. You see, uh, here earlier when I was in job, at that time for every vacation and all that, I have to take permission from my boss. So taking permission is not an issue. But thing was that he always told that okay, you can do your reservation, but final permission I will give you only one day before. So that was the case. You see, every time uncertainty was there, and I was not actually able to enjoy the vacation with my family. But here now, I am an entrepreneur, I am enjoying life here, and whenever I want, I can take flight or I can take train and I'll come to my parental house anytime it is possible. So it's complete freedom, you can say. So my friend, just I wanted to realize this one. I wanted that you should also feel this one, that you should not be enslaved to anything. Now, second thing, you see, being with nature is really a boon, you can say. And see, uh, I remember when I was in my student life at that time, I used to come in summer vacation for eating mangoes and all that. That was a special, you can say, treat by nature at that time. And really, completely I had forgotten those days. But now I am right now in my summer vacation with in a trip with my family here in my parental house. I am enjoying it, and of course taking a lot of mangoes now. Earlier at that time, around 5 to 10 mangoes daily we were able to take. Right now, of course, not much, but something certainly I am going to take. And I was just wanted to remind you something, because a few days back I have gone through one of the article regarding our environment and all that. I found that uh, there was one article in which author was saying that uh, if all the plants and trees were removed from planet, then we can live only 15 years. All the humanities will be completely wiped out within 15 years. But if insects and reptiles are removed, then we have got only 8 years to live. So now you can see how powerful these insects and reptiles are there. So this all the nature is completely meant for you. So that's why we should enjoy it and feel the freedom, because they will make you feel that you are free. In fact, human beings are really free, but only because you have just molded yourself in such a way that you are not able to feel. So when you are feeling the freedom, then you are actually with nature, and you are the real entrepreneur at the time. Your research, your everything will be completely 100%. So that's all, my friend. Thank you very much. This is Shailendra Khan signing off from from this episode. I am starting a new thing, inspirational thing, and this is the inspiration from nature. Feel the freedom. This was there. Thank you very much. Bye bye.